at the Red Bull Tokyo event. The GTR got accepted, so it is here on display. Oh, there's Smokey Nagata. Smokey Nagata taking a photo. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Yeah, this place is crazy. Over 1,000 cars. I mean, my car is number 941, so there's quite a bit of cars. I got home at 9 a.m., had to wash the car in less than an hour, and then I had to leave to come here, and I made it here at 12:40 something, which is really late. I was supposed to be here between 11 to 12. So I haven't slept yet. I was on the Tokyo last night. But either way, I'm gonna try to keep my energy up and show you guys some dope stuff. There's gonna be some drifting. It's gonna be ridiculous. Let's just have a good look around. I wish that we had the Ferrari when I signed up for this event, so we could potentially be down here on the second floor. Two sexy veil sides up here. Woo. So it looks like the first floor is just like a drift karting area. Pretty neat. This guy's getting told to go back to the zone. Libero F40 that Woody drove. Actually, the owner of this car came up to me earlier and like spoke to me, and I didn't realize he meant that his car was down here. So that was the drifting portion. There is more coming. There's a few drifting sessions. I don't know if they're actually going to do like the spiral drift this time, but the itinerary says there's a secret. So probably, maybe, potentially. But back on the 4th floor here, this is where the GTR is parked. And as you can see, it's gigantic. Hella nice builds. I mean, every build in here had to be selected. And they were pretty carefully selected. You've got to have some insane stuff to get in. Unless you have a forklift. I'll show you guys the forklift in just a second. So once you get past these crazy cars here, this thing's absolutely insanity. And you get past these things, you get to the greatest invention on Earth, the Suzuki forklift, which started its life off as a regular forklift, like every good forklift does. And now it's a Suzuki forklift. It's got a roll cage, it's got a bread bucket seat, it's got a racing wheel. It even has a frickin' wang with a gigantic exhaust, Red Bull logo. It's kitted. It's the best thing in the event, hands down. Like I said though, there's a lot of cars here, like literally so many. I could make a 3-hour-long video going around these cars and I still wouldn't be done. So I'm picking and choosing which ones I think are dope. We do have the ACR Aston Martin here too. I believe he's got a new diffuser, which is insane. Like it's just almost on the ground. He got new aero disc in the front, that's cool. We have a Hayabusa swap K-truck. Sweet bejeebus. Doesn't even have a like just a bucket seat and a cage. Oh my lord. Got an absolutely gorgeous NSX. I suppose I need to show you guys where I parked the GTR. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna come to my car and take a nap. But I don't think I'm gonna be taking a nap anytime soon. We have the DJ and the speakers literally right next to the GTR. Right next to it. Also, they put this on my car again, which is it's literally just a freaking license plate cover, despite me already having them on my car. I already put one on. But this is where the GTR is parked up. The funny story, I was actually sitting inside the GTR just trying to take a nap, and the staff walked up to me and started talking, and he was like, hey, I need you to move your car from where it was because the firefighters need to get through here in case of a fire. So they put my car front and center right here in the middle of the show. Hang on, let me get a better view. It's literally front and center now. It's pretty dope. Way better spot, and we look unique. So I'll take it. I'll take a W when I can take a W, bro. We got the Tokyo Red Bull sign right here. It's pretty sick. I just said Tokyo Red Bull. The Red Bull Tokyo Drift sign. And we got people taking pictures. Yeah, they love it. This RX-7 is insanely clean. God. You got these crazy R34s. And this Veilside RX-7 has like a completely cut rear bumper. And it does not have a rotary. You all know what that is. One of the cleanest S2000s ever. This thing's insane, dude. I wonder if this is wrap or airbrush. Whatever it is, I like it. Oh, that's actually sick. Dude, this is a Pantera apparently. If you like, what? Itasha Pantera that's also rally. Then you have a stanced out wide body DeLorean. It wouldn't be JDM car culture without it. Look at these insane wheels. I love everything about this so much. The cars just keep getting deeper and deeper. Here's Rui-san's RX-7. Here's the Civic boys. Ooh, they have more light back here. Martini Porsche back there, that's sick. Dude, the amount of clean RX-7s here is insane. Look at these things. Even back there, oh, and you got a Ferrari back there, peeking through. Nice. They accepted a lot of K cars. I'm not complaining in any way. I just find it interesting. Like, this one is actually incredible. This little thing is so sick. With a cage, bro? Dang. This thing's insane as always. That's dope. Also, guys, one thing about this place, the view is wild. Look at this. Crazy view. And later, they're gonna be drifting down and up in the spiral, which is currently the only way to get up and down the actual event, which is funny because it's like really, like, I don't know. I don't want to say inconvenient because it sounds mean, but like it's kind of a long hike. What's on its way inside? Ew, cool stuff is happening. All right, at this point, we are just waiting for the cool stuff to happen, but we have come back down to the second floor. Second floor is awesome as always. There's some guy getting filmed by a lot of cameras. Don't know who the heck that is, but he must be famous. Don't care though. But yeah, we're waiting on the cool spiral drift. I'm kind of, I don't know. Cue the drift. lineup of cars here that are waiting to leave is like the lineup of cars that you can only dream of seeing in your entire life. Like, this place is insane. Japan is insane. This country is ridiculous. Everything is so perfect. Car scene is perfect. Absolutely just bonkers ridiculous. Look at this. We got our GTR. Got all these insane cars lined up to leave. And there's like an after party downstairs. He's actually wearing a freaking helmet and he looks so dope. He actually drives. It's most likely gonna take hours to get out of here. Might go hit up that after party that they're supposed to be hosting downstairs. Why not? I'm exhausted, but why not? Kawaii. Ooh, that's so sick. Yo, this is the Z from Auto Salon, bro. I don't even know if I posted my Auto Salon video by now, but I saw this there, and it was pretty sick. Crazy custom body kit. And some crazy wheels. Things have moved around a little bit. These guys don't understand that they're gonna be stuck here forever. Forever. Oh, it's so sexy. So this is the after party, which is also just the exact same thing that was happening all day long anyway. This is a crazy thing to be surrounded by. I feel like I'm in heaven. Oh my God, that looks so sick. Hi. Hello. We actually had some movement. I missed it on camera, but movement has occurred. This is actually cleared out somehow. And these cars finally actually moved. And they are revving up like crazy. GTR looks so dope right there, dude. It's just staring at me menacingly. Cold start. I almost missed the forklift driving away. I am determined to stand here until this forklift moves. I want a rolling shot of this frickin' forklift, and I will not falter. Okay, I can die happy now. The forklift has been filmed. And with that, I'm ending this vlog. I'm gonna go get in my car, get in line, and go home and finally go to sleep. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. If you didn't like this video, like it anyway, because the dislike button does nothing. See you guys in the next video. I'm tired. I should go. Bye-bye. Cheers, get there.